Bank of America think these 35 stocks have got high upside potential. Let's analyze them ourselves. This is part 2. I've already done part 1 elsewhere on YouTube, so do look for that. And we got as far as stock number 18. So all of these other ones I've already analyzed on part 1, so have a look at that separately. There we go. 17, come on. Kirby we just finished, and now we're at number 18. Toll Brothers, 21% to the upside, they think. They've also given their reasoning, by the way, if you want to pause this video and have a look at it. And I've also included some of the financials for you over there. What I like about this and agree with them on this is we've got a bit of a base. It's forming, and I do think 40% actually to the upside is possible. It's only 17% undervalued at the moment, but it has got some positives over there. Sadly, earnings are forecast to decline. Now, that means if they don't decline, given that pessimism, as much as that pessimism suggests, then the share price will go up, which is very good news. It's got a low hurdle, in other words, that it has to come over in order to rise. I like low hurdles and poor expectations because they're factored in the price, and therefore anything to the upside is all cream. 21% ELF Beauty. Was it ELF Beauty or Beauty? Sorry, ELF Beauty. That's already risen. I think this has already done what it was meant to do, as exemplified by the fact that it's already overvalued. So forget it. You're a bit late to the party, Bank of America. Planet Fitness, 21% to the upside. Yeah, it's getting a bit of a base, not as much as I would have liked. It's risen significantly recently, and it's already overvalued. So, play again. No, Bank of America, you're wrong. Tenet Healthcare, 20.6%. And then we've got this. We've got a good little base forming here. It's a little bit early, a little bit premature. However, 21% undervalued as well. I'm going to give them this one. I think that one they've got right. API Group, 16% to the upside. And you've got a bit of a base here forming. So that looks good. 15% undervalued. Earnings forecast to grow significantly. Worrying because it's quite high. Let's hope they don't miss it. So that's could be a potential negative, and trading at a good value compared to peers. That's a lot more important. And this discount cash flow. So I'm going to give them that one. Okay. Knight Swift Transportations, 15%. It gets a bit boring when it's just 15%, isn't it? To the upside. There's the chart. Overvalued? No. Lamb Weston, 15. Not interested. It's too little. It's already shot up lots. They're too late, and it's overvalued. So no. Cullen Frost Bankers, 13%. I'm not interested. It's already peaked. Yes, it's undervalued, but sorry, it's too little to the upside. Inspire Medical Systems, 13% to the upside. I'm not convinced on that chart, and it's ridiculously overvalued on a discount cash flow, so forget about it. Delta Airlines, 12% to the upside. I mean, that's just a margin of error. That's just, sneeze and you could get that anyway, so forget about it. Yes, I know it's significantly undervalued, but I'm not going for it. Aramark, okay, 10%. 10%, forget it. That's not a significant upside. Yeah, okay, and it's already gone up significantly anyway, probably gone up already 20%, and it's at near all-time highs, so forget it. It's marginally undervalued. Qiagen, no, these are all just not going to be interesting enough for me. Why would you even tell your clients about these? Okay, Bath and Body Works. Now, I think they're wrong on this. I think that can go up more. 9%, they think. This is my projection for it. 40% is what I reckon. And it's undervalued by 32%, so it would meet my requirement of 40% to the upside as well. No over-optimistic forecast, not overly optimistic, so fantastic. Jabil, they think 8.5%. Look at that lovely little trend, which seems to be like that after a year of going sideways. This is starting to move up as well. Can it do it? Yeah, it's significantly undervalued. So I think it'll do more than they think. Okay, will Jabil. Deckers Outdoor, 7% they think. Again, I think they might be underestimating this. I think it might do a little bit better than that, even though it's gone up so much there and it's at resistance. You probably want to wait for it to break out of that before getting in. It is slightly undervalued, so that gives you some additional support for your thesis. Avery Dennison, we're getting near the end now, 5%. I mean, do I think they can do better than what they're saying? Potentially, do I? No, I don't think it'll do better than they're saying because it's overvalued. Okay, and yes, it's got some good stuff going there, but not enough. Coherent Corporation, that's a good base. That could give you a good, sensible target to aim at. All looks good except looks significantly overvalued. On a discount cash flow, it's not the only way of measuring things, and profit margins have got lower as well. Sorry, too many question marks for me to get in. Finally, Array Technologies. Well, they think it's going to stay the same. And yeah, they might be right. That's too toppy, so I'm not going to go for it. Now, stocks which were on my approved filtered list were Avery Dennison, okay, from earlier on. And, well, you can find it later on. So that made my approved filtered list. It had a lot of boxes it ticked as well for me. So if you want to learn more on all of this, don't forget to like and have a look, like, subscribe, follow, campaignfor1million.com. Free educational tools and videos to teach 1 million people how to be better investors. So hope you'll enjoy that, and hope you'll continue following me. And also check me out on TikTok and at alpeshpatel.com/links. You'll find that as well. Good luck investing.